Quinton has been working so hard, researching all the things for our boat and teaching himself how to weld aluminum. He's dabbled in steel welding for years, and we own more welders than I ever thought we would need. Aluminum welding wasn't something he needed to know how to do, until now. He has made tons of progress and has started fabrication on the boat.
Alright, so got everything marked out for this ledge in the front here. We need to cut down along the edge there, up here, across both sides. We'll get on that. There's a few ribs underneath that need to be cut yet, where it'll break free. I'll cut those now. Got it. More pieces removed deeper into the project. More chaos. All right. So this is where we're at now. We have cut out that raised floor so the sleeping berth can continue into the front. Create a wall across there, a little bit of a hatch to get into that front cavity. Progress is made. Alright, we're going to get on to some fabrication. First thing I plan to do is close in this triangular area. The bed is going to extend into here and then it's going to come up. We want to get some insulation in underneath everything as well, so it'll have to be at a little bit of a slope at the end here. So I'm going to make a template for this area down here with cardboard. Alright, we'll get that traced out onto aluminum sheet and cut that out. Alright, we're here going to make a template. Let's see how we did. Just slightly big, which is better than too small. Just need to trim a little bit off the center and the front. Alright, trim a little bit off the back just to straighten it up. Alright, it fits pretty good. I'm just going to take the flapper wheel and just clean all the edges. Clean it up for getting ready to weld it. Good enough. I've been told the 3 rules of aluminum welding are make sure it's clean, make sure it's clean, and make sure it's clean. So we're going to try to start with a clean piece of metal here. Here we go, we're making progress today. We got some 3/16 sheet aluminum for a couple of things we're building in the front there. And then I got some angle and some tubing. Excited to start doing some fabrication. get going on this. All right, I'm just got back from getting these angles bent. I'm going to use these for the gussets. We're adding in where the wall is going to be here. Just going to kind of emulate what was done for that support that the boat had originally. We'll put another one in here, and then we're going to put the bulkhead wall up against them, weld that aluminum wall to it. And that'll make it easier to close that in. Alright, so my next task here is to install these gussets up the wall. Maybe one on either side, in line with that wall, and then we'll weld the wall to it. I'm going to have to try to figure out exactly where that is. Line, because I can't go level because the boat isn't sitting level. So I figured I'd use the laser but not have it. I'll keep it locked so that it doesn't run in a level plane. It'll run wherever I set it. So I'll shim it so that it lines up where I want it to. That's also a hard one to measure. I think it's actually really close. I think as long as it is square to the boat in this direction, the same amount from a rib on either side. Not sure that it really makes a difference where it is. Alright, I'm gonna clean up all the welding areas all the way around. It's just a little bit long now, but it can go up once I nip that corner. I'll nip the corner up here. Okay, that's all fitting pretty good at the top. So it is still a little bit long, and that will, shortening it will make it sit pretty good. Alright, just a little small adjustment. I think that's got it. Well, there it is. It's not the prettiest thing, but the welds look structurally solid. Now I'll put this piece in below And that is next in line. Alright, we're going to cut out the gussets that will run across top. This is the piece for that. Alright, our gussets are in. I've got the laser set up again. And it looks pretty darn straight. Pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Okay, so now I need to cut out this vertical strip that goes around the hatch, and then the new wall will be that vertical strip for where the back of the hatch will be. It'll just continue up into here. This will get removed, and this will just be part of the front deck. So I'll take out this piece and this piece, and then I can cut the panel for that front wall. All right, progress. I just decided I'm going to put a piece of 1.5 by 1.5 angle across the bottom and across right here till it meets up to there, just to give me something to land that wall up against. It'll make it so that I don't have to cut this wall as precision. It'll get so I can have like a 1/4 inch gap or something. It'd be easier to fill if there's something in behind it with that with the angle in behind it. So I'll do that next. to cut the sheet for the panel. We got the bottom angle in and the top angles. This one here across the bottom. So, sure this will take some time to make it just right, because I do not have extra material. Alright, I'll be back. This will take a while.